Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you need to make changes to a critical system, but you're worried about causing disruptions? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle how to safely restart a live node in a multi-node Cassandra cluster. I completely understand your concern. Restarting a node in a production environment can feel like walking a tightrope. You want to ensure that no data is lost and that the cluster remains stable. You're definitely not alone in feeling this way. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user recently asked, how can I restart one live node from my 6-node Cassandra cluster without losing any data or causing issues? They mentioned making changes to the cassandra.yaml file and were unsure about the best way to proceed. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's the best approach here? Restarting a node in a Cassandra cluster requires careful handling to avoid data inconsistency or downtime. Understanding how Cassandra handles node restarts is crucial for maintaining cluster health. And stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that will help you manage your Cassandra cluster more effectively in the future. To restart one live node in a multi-node Cassandra cluster, the user should first ensure that the node is not the last remaining node in the cluster. This is crucial to avoid losing data or causing cluster issues. Next, the user should gracefully stop the Cassandra service on the specific node. This can be done by using the appropriate service management command for the operating system. After stopping the service, the user can make any necessary changes to the cassandra.yaml file. It's important to double-check the configuration to ensure everything is correct. Once the changes are made, the user should start the Cassandra service again. This will bring the node back online and allow it to rejoin the cluster. Finally, the user should verify that the node has successfully rejoined the cluster. This can be done by running the node tool status command again to check the node's status. Fun fact, did you know that Cassandra was named after the Greek mythological figure who could see the future but was never believed? Just like her, sometimes we need to trust the process even when it feels uncertain. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach to restarting a live node in your Cassandra cluster involves a few key steps. First, if your replication factor is greater than 1 and you're not using all consistency, you can proceed without downtime or data loss. Start by running the command node tool drain on the node you want to restart. Next, stop the Cassandra service on that node and then start it again. If durable writes are enabled, you shouldn't lose any data due to the commit log replay mechanism. For a quicker restart, consider using node tool flush before stopping the service. Let's take a look at another answer from another user. One user suggests that you can indeed kill the Cassandra process on the node and restart it. For a cleaner shutdown, they recommend running 2 commands first: disable gossip and drain. After that, you can stop the service or kill the process using the PID. Here's the tip I promised. Regularly review your configuration files and keep backups. This practice can save you from headaches in the future. And there you have it. You now know how to safely restart a live node in your Cassandra cluster without losing data. Remember, careful planning and monitoring are key. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and don't miss our next video on optimizing your Cassandra performance.